Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to animate in Figma 2025. If you're a designer or just starting out, Figma's latest updates make animation easier than ever, helping you create smooth, interactive prototypes that wow your clients. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Figma installed. Open up a new file and head to the Prototyping tab. It's your gateway to all the animation magic. Start by selecting your frames or elements you want to animate. Figma's Auto Animate feature is a game changer. It automatically generates transitions between frames based on your designs. For example, if you have two frames with similar elements, just link them in the prototype settings, and Figma will handle the rest. Next, let's talk about custom animations. Click on the interaction icon to add triggers like on click or while hovering. Then, choose your animation type. Options include fades, slides, and even advanced easing curves for that professional polish. Don't forget to adjust the duration and delay to control the timing. Aim for 300 to 500 milliseconds for most interactions to keep things snappy without overwhelming the user. One of my favorite tips for 2025 is using Figma's new variable system to make your animations dynamic. This means you can reuse animations across projects and tweak them easily. If you're prototyping for mobile, test how animations perform on different screen sizes to ensure they're responsive. Now, to avoid common pitfalls, always preview your animations in the prototype viewer. This helps catch any glitches early. Remember, less is more. Over-animating can distract from your core design. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you'll be animating like a pro in Figma. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.